In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript to your WordPress site. We'll start by preparing a small script and then add it cleanly to your site using the WordPress site editor. As always, make sure you have a recent backup and, if possible, test changes on a draft or staging version before going live. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Click into the highlighted prompt field to activate it. Then type the JavaScript you want to use or describe what you need the script to do. This is a quick way to generate or refine a snippet, like a simple click handler or a small UI enhancement. When Gemini shows a suggestion or a previous prompt under "You said," click that to confirm and run it. Once you're happy with the result, click the highlighted copy control to grab the code. Keep the snippet focused and avoid anything that needs elevated permissions. The leaner the script, the easier it is to maintain. Now, switch to your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor for the page or template where you want the script to live. Click the highlighted controls to enter the editor canvas. Open the block inserter and click into the search field. Then type to find the code-related option you see highlighted. Select the plain text style and choose JavaScript as the language if that option appears. This gives you a clean area to place your script. If your setup doesn't show a JavaScript option, that's okay. Some sites use a custom HTML block with script tags instead. The important part is that you're adding the code in a dedicated block so it's easy to locate and update later. Click into the highlighted code area and paste your JavaScript. Give it a quick scan for stray characters or quotation mark mismatches that sometimes happen when copying. If layout matters for your design, adjust the block to wide width so it aligns with your content as expected. When everything looks right, click Save. WordPress will confirm the template or page changes. Finally, click Launch to push the update live so visitors can benefit from your new functionality. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Clear any caching after publishing so your changes appear immediately, and test the page in a private window to confirm the script runs without console errors.